Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer forms into Airtable for project track. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Airtable account. Log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, locate the base where you want to transfer the forms. If you don't have a suitable base, click on Add a Base to create a new one. Give your new base a relevant name related to your project. Open the base by clicking on it. Inside the base, create a new table by selecting plus Add a Table. Name your new table appropriately, reflecting the type of forms you'll be transferring. Next, set up your table fields according to the information in your forms. You can add fields by clicking on the plus icon next to the existing fields. For each field, choose the appropriate field type, such as single line text, checkbox, or dropdown. Now, gather the forms you want to transfer into Airtable. If your forms are in a digital format, ensure they are accessible for easy transfer. If your forms are on paper, consider scanning them or using a digital form to recreate them. Start transferring the data from the forms to your Airtable table. You can do this manually by entering the information in each corresponding field. If you have a large amount of data, consider using the import feature. To import, click on View in the top left corner and select Grid View. Look for the import option and select the file type of your forms. Follow the prompts to upload your file and map the fields accordingly. Once the data is imported, review the entries to ensure all information is accurately captured. You can make any necessary adjustments to individual records at this stage. For enhanced project tracking, consider using Airtable's features such as sorting and filtering. To sort your records, click on the header of the column you want to sort by. To apply filters, click on the filter option and set your criteria accordingly. You can also group records to visualize your project's progress better. To group records, select the group option and choose the desired field to group by. Take advantage of Airtable's collaboration features by inviting team members to your base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.